Handmade goods have gained immense popularity in recent years as consumers seek unique and personalized items. Starting a handmade business can be a fulfilling and profitable venture as it allows individuals to showcase their creativity and connect with customers on a personal level. Some popular handmade business ideas. 1. Handmade jewelry. With the growing demand for unique and personalized jewelry, starting a handmade jewelry business can be a profitable venture. From simple beaded necklaces to intricate metalwork pieces, there's a wide range of styles and materials to choose from. 2. Handmade soaps and skincare. The popularity of natural and organic skincare products has led to a surge in demand for handmade soaps and skincare items. From luxurious bath bombs to nourishing body butter, there's a vast array of products that can be created using natural ingredients. 3. Handmade candles. Candle making is a popular craft that requires minimal equipment and materials. From soy wax to beeswax, there are various types of waxes to choose from, allowing for a wide range of scents and textures. 4. Handmade home decor. From cozy throw pillows to rustic wooden signs, handmade home decor items are in high demand. With the rise of minimalist and bohemian styles, there's a growing preference for unique and one-of-a-kind pieces. 5. Handmade clothing. From hand-sewn dresses to custom-made suits, handmade clothing is a niche market that caters to customers seeking high-quality and unique items. With the rise of sustainable fashion, there's also a growing demand for eco-friendly fabrics and production methods. 6. Handmade paper products. From greeting cards to notebooks, handmade paper products are a popular choice for customers seeking eco-friendly and unique items. With various types of paper and embellishments available, the possibilities are endless. 7. Handmade ceramics. From functional pottery to decorative sculptures, handmade ceramics are a popular choice for customers seeking unique and functional items. With various types of clay and glazes available, the possibilities are endless. 8. Handmade glassware. From colorful glassware to intricate glass sculptures, handmade glass items are a popular choice for customers seeking unique and functional items. With various types of glass and techniques available, the possibilities are endless. 9. Handmade leather goods. From wallets to belts, handmade leather goods are a popular choice for customers seeking high-quality and unique items. With various types of leather and techniques available, the possibilities are endless. 10. Handmade woodworking. From rustic wooden signs to intricate wooden boxes, handmade woodworking items are a popular choice for customers seeking unique and functional items. With various types of wood and techniques available, the possibilities are endless. 11. Handmade textiles. From cozy blankets to intricate tapestries, handmade textiles are a popular choice for customers seeking unique and functional items. With various types of fibers and techniques available, the possibilities are endless. 12. Handmade metalwork. From intricate jewelry pieces to functional home decor items, handmade metalwork items are a popular choice for customers seeking unique and functional items. With various types of metal and techniques available, the possibilities are endless. 13. Handmade glass beads. From colorful glass beads to intricate glass sculptures, handmade glass beads are a popular choice for jewelry makers seeking unique and high-quality materials. With various types of glass and techniques available, the possibilities are endless. 14. Handmade embroidery. From intricate embroidered hoops to functional home decor items, handmade embroidery items are a popular choice for customers seeking unique and functional items with intricate details. With various types of embroidery flosses and techniques available, the possibilities are endless. 15. Handmade natural skincare products. From natural body butter to face masks made with natural ingredients like honey or avocado, handmade natural skincare products have gained popularity due to their effectiveness in improving skin health without harsh chemicals or synthetic ingredients commonly found in commercial skincare products.